Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot to N8n. In order to do that, you first need to head over to N8n right here and then create your workflow. Let me head over and start from scratch. So once you're on your workflow creator, you just need to click on Add First Step right here, and then search for Hubspot in the search bar. Click on it once it appears. Here it is. You can see right here that they have different triggers available. For this example, click on Conversation New Message and select it as your trigger. And then you can see right here the Credentials section to connect your Hubspot account. Click on the Credentials dropdown and then click Create New Credential. It will prompt you with a redirect URL. Copy that URL. Next, head over to your Hubspot developer account, create or open your app, and paste the redirect URL where it asks for it. Then, copy your client ID and client secret from Hubspot and paste them back into N8n. Click Save to finish connecting. Once saved, your Hubspot trigger should now be active and ready to use. So that's all there is for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.